So if you watched my last video, then you know that I obviously bleached my hair, but we not keeping it this ramen noodle color. We changing this to something blue, something new, something blue. So yeah, if you're interested, just keep watching. I've wanted to bleach my hair, or go blue, since literally my freshman year of college. But was too scared. But we're gonna do it now, because look, we're already halfway here and we don't really like this color, so we're gonna fix it. But yeah, just keep watching.
I feel empty. My cup to cheers is alone.
I put Vaseline all around the perimeter of my hair, on my ears, my neck, to make sure that I wouldn't get any dye on my skin.
So I'm getting my best friend to help me. Getting my best friend to help me to do the back, because I can't see it and it really needs to be everywhere. Can't have no spots not done. So I'm gonna do these puffs and she's gonna do the back puffs. Let's get this thing cracking.
So I went section by section, getting every piece of little hair that I could, all the strands, because I wasn't trying to have the same problem that I did when I bleached my hair and missed all those spots. So I was very diligent with this whole process.
Oh shit, it's on the walls. Tiara! Oh my god. We got it on the wall. But yeah, got the shower cap on. I got a little everywhere. But we're gonna leave this on for like 20 minutes and then take it out. Or rinse it out. So I just got out the shower. I don't recommend rinsing your hair out in it, because I'm going to have to go back in and clean it extensively. Rinse it out in like your kitchen sink. But you can see right here, it's pretty blue. So I'm gonna take it off. You guys haven't seen it yet. Wow. This is nice. This is really nice. Ugh. Camera doesn't really do it any justice, but this is my hair, maybe. But yeah, look at my curl pattern. My curl pattern done hooed on me. I like it. That blonde was not for me, guys.
I don't wanna sleep in my bed. I don't wanna feel free to roam.
So that's how I got my hair to be this color. This is the sunlight on it. It's like super blue. Yeah, it turned out amazing. Yeah, my hair pattern just changed just a little bit. Well, it changed not in a bad way, honestly, in my opinion. It changed in a good one, because it's easier to see my coils. I did a wash and go. I ain't never ever been able to do a wash and go. Like, it would have just shrunk up and I would have looked like a little boy. But I think I took a couple of videos of me earlier this morning when I had just did it. Well, I did it last night, and then today, and then I like wrapped it up kind of last night, and then today I let it out. But yeah, so I just put it up in this puff because I'm about to go to work and have to wear a visor. So yeah, it's super defined. Like, look at this coil. Oh my god. Okay, oh, also, this side is lighter than this side because, like, when I was doing it, I was running out and then having to, like, remix more, so I just don't think that I put in the same, like, proportions every time, so, yeah, just turned out a little bit lighter than the rest of it, like, just this, like, patch right here. But I don't really mind. This joint is bold. I love it. I really love it. I can't stop looking at myself. Blue hair. My hair doesn't feel dry anymore. Well, I have mad product in it right now, but like now that it's dyed, when I first took it out, when I first rinsed it out, it didn't feel dry and brittle like it did with when I rinsed the bleach out. Like, comment, subscribe. Thanks for watching, you guys. Please continue to love me, because the few of you that do watch my videos, y'all my fave. Okay, bye. Oh. If you want to know how I bleached my hair, if you want to see how I bleached my hair, then I'm going to link a video link to it somewhere on the video, and then also in the description bar below. So yeah, follow me on all social media. I'm at rainanyelle, and yeah, have a good day, guys. Bye.